everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Stitch and Hustle. So I'm excited to see it. I know what it is, but I'm still super excited. So I found this company through Kristy Glass. I was watching one of her videos, and she had, how did that work? I don't remember if she had a bag and talked about it. Gosh, I don't even really remember how it all happened. But anyway, I know that I found them. But I must have heard about them before because I'd already been to the site. And when I looked at my groups on Ravelry, I'm like in their group. So I had to have heard of them before, but I didn't really know what I was doing when I signed up for groups and stuff on Ravelry. So, what in the world? I'm knocking myself out. Okay. It's a big box. And there's just two things. I'm going to show the one that I'm most excited about first. It says Stitch and Hustle. And it's a project bag because, you know, I can never have enough. Everybody needs project bags. And I thought it was supposed to have a Kristy Glass pen. And it does Kristy Glass knits. And it's a fiber arts bag for people who make things. Stitch and Hustle. Cute name. And here's the bag. So it's one of the arm bags that you can put on your arm, and you can put your yarn inside, and you can knit or whatever while you're doing it. And it's reversible, I think. I don't think it's intended to be, but I know that Kristy Glass showed it and said that it was, you could reverse it if you wanted to. The stitching is going to be on the outside, but it's still really pretty. But look at the inside. Isn't that pretty? This lighting is awful. Ooh, that's better. So it's got two pockets on the outside, one there and one there. And it's probably big enough to hold, I don't know, 2 cakes of yarn and still hold it on your arm and stitch away. So I think that's pretty exciting. I'm happy about that. And then this next thing I got is another project bag, but it's a different kind of project bag. Look at this. It has metal sides, and it's like one that they showed somebody had taken it with them somewhere. And I thought that's a great idea because sometimes, you know, you're out and about. So let's see here. You open it like this, and you can put all your things on the inside. And it's canvas, and it has an arm holder, and it has pockets on the inside. Lots of pockets, actually. Has some that are mesh. On this side, it's all mesh pockets. And then on this side, it is canvas pockets. Different sizes, so you can put your needles down in there or whatever. And then this is kind of cool, too. It has a plastic front. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to hold it. I'll push it in a little. So this is plastic, and it has a zipper. And you can put whatever you want inside here. And then there's another on the top. So this one's this big, this one's this big. So this one doesn't go all the way down. But on the back side, there's also a really big, deep pocket that goes all the way to the bottom. This is really nice. I love that it has this to travel with you. And let's see, it says, new and improved construction, still the famous Bagsmith project bag. 4 vertical canvas pockets for storage of needles, scissors, and other tools. 6 mesh pockets on the inside, adjustable shoulder strap, new stronger frame, 2 zippered pockets in the front, and 1 pattern pocket on the back. So that is cool that it holds a pattern. I didn't even think about that. But yeah, that's perfect for a pattern. Just stick it right in there. How cool is that? So I'm pretty excited about both of these bags. So yay. So check it out at Stitch and Hustle. I think that the Kristy Glass ones are all sold out, but I know they had others. And I'm just kind of excited to have a project bag like this because I don't think I have one. And I think it would be neat. I know I wanted one earlier, So maybe I have one that I just have a project in that I have UFO'd, but I don't know. So I'm excited. So that's what I got. Stitch and Hustle. Check them out. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.